Blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform various industries across the world. At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions in a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof manner. It is maintained by a network of computers that collectively validate and approve every transaction. This technology is being widely adopted in the financial industry, particularly for digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, its potential applications are not limited to finance, and it can be used in various other industries, including healthcare, supply chain management, and voting systems. The key feature of blockchain technology is its decentralized nature, which eliminates the need for a central authority to maintain and verify transactions. Instead, it relies on a network of computers that work together to validate every transaction. Once a transaction is approved, it is added to the blockchain, which is a permanent and tamper-proof record of all transactions. This makes it extremely difficult for anyone to manipulate the blockchain or alter previous transactions. As a result, this technology is considered to be more secure and transparent than traditional centralized systems. Another important feature of the technology is its ability to create smart contracts. A smart contract is a self-executing program that runs on the blockchain and automatically enforces the terms of a contract. This can be useful in various industries, including finance, insurance, and real estate. For example, a smart contract can be used to automatically transfer funds to a beneficiary when certain conditions are met, such as the completion of a project or the delivery of goods. Despite its potential benefits, this technology is not without its challenges. One of the main challenges is scalability, as the current blockchain infrastructure can only handle a limited number of transactions per second. This can be a problem in industries that require high volumes of transactions, such as finance and supply chain management. However, researchers are working on developing solutions to this problem, such as sharding and off-chain solutions. In conclusion, this technology has the potential to transform various industries across the world, offering benefits such as decentralization, security, transparency, and the ability to create smart contracts. Its potential applications are not limited to finance, and it can be used in various other industries, including healthcare, supply chain management, and voting systems. However, there are still challenges that need to be addressed, such as scalability. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative use cases emerge, which will ultimately shape the future of various industries. Thank you for watching. If you want more new videos, like, comment, and subscribe in this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends.